Often the question is given in reverse. You're given the equation of the curve and you have to come up with the equation. So let's have a look at that. Find the equation of the curve in the form y is equal to ax minus h squared plus k. Then write down the equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, and then find the x coordinate of a and b. We know that this point gives us the vertex, and the vertex is represented by a and h and k in this format. So we can straight away write down that y is equal to a brackets x minus 2, which is the x coordinate squared, plus 4, which is the y coordinate. We know the curve passes through one extra point here, this point here, at 0, 2. And therefore we know at this particular point x is 0, y is 2. So substitute that into here. We're going to have that 2 is equal to a brackets x, which is 0, minus 2 squared plus 4. Minus 2 squared is 4. So we're going to have that 2 is equal to 4a plus 4. 4a is equal to minus 2, and therefore a is equal to minus a half. We were expecting a to be negative because it's like that way round. Therefore y is equal to a half bracket minus a half brackets x minus 2 squared plus 4. So if we know the vertex of one other point, it's very easy to write it in this form. To write it into this form, we have to expand this. So expanding, we're going to have minus a half x squared minus 4x plus 4, expanding x minus 2 squared. Don't forget to then add the 4 on the end. Then take the minus half through, so we're going to have minus a half x, changing the signs, plus minus a half times minus 4, which is plus 2, and minus a half times plus 4, which is minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore we now have it in this format, ax squared plus bx plus c. And therefore we can say that a is equal to minus a half, b is equal to 2, and then c is also equal to 2. If we go back to the graph, we need to find the coordinates of this point and this point, which means we need to solve the equation equal to 0. Minus a half x squared plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So using the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Putting in the values, we're going to have minus 2 plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 times minus a half times 2 over 2 times minus a half. Be careful substituting anything in negative. So we're going to have minus 2 brackets. Now 2 squared is 4. Minus a half times 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 4 makes plus 4. And then 2 times minus a half is minus 1. So that's going to take that up there. It's going to take that, make that one be plus 2. And these will be minus and plus. So the game will still be plus or minus. So we're going to have 2 plus or minus 4 plus 4, which is 8. Looking for square numbers, well, 8 can be written as 4 times 2, and the square root of 4 is 2, and therefore we're going to have 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. So it's going to give me 2 brackets 1 plus or minus root 2. So A will be 2 brackets 1 minus root 2, and B will be 2 brackets 1 plus root 2. These are the x coordinates of A and B.